In this video, I'll show you how to crop a picture in Canva. So we're going to crop this picture together on video. So what I'm going to do, I've already got it opened in my File Explorer. We'll just go ahead and drag it onto Canva, and that will upload it to the upload section. Now, once we're here, we can go ahead and use that image and crop it in any project. I'm going to go ahead and create a custom size project, 1920 by 1080, and what we'll do is we'll add the image. Here we can go to the upload section, we can drag it on. Now let's go ahead and crop this. So to crop it, you need to go to the crop icon, which is going to be one to the left of flip. Click on that and it will open these windows. Now you can use smart crop, which is going to crop with AI. You can go ahead and freeform, which is going to be the first one selected. That will allow you to select exactly what you want of the image. You can also use 1:1 or any of their other presets, and if you want to rotate the image in the crop, you can do that as well. Once you're happy with the outcome, you can just go ahead and click done, and it will then crop your image to exactly how you set it to.